Hi everyone, OrangeTee AG is here today. We have a 5-room HDB flat that is good size, a rare corner unit, just a few minutes walk away from Keat Hong LRT station. This is the unit that you don't want to miss. Let's go!
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold.
Welcome to OrangeTee AG Home Tour. I'm Jayden Tan. We are here at 119 Teck Whye Lane. Let's take a quick look at property facts. This estate is located along of Choa Chu Kang Way and Choa Chu Kang Avenue 1. It has a balance lease of about 65 years with a mix of 59 units of 4-room flat and 40 units of 5-room flat. Now let us move on to the floor plan analysis. This unit stands at 121 square meter, which translates to 1302 square feet. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. In this living room area, according to the HDB floor plan, is proposed as a bedroom or study room. And you actually enjoy the direction which is facing towards south. And this is a corner unit. Currently, the setup is a round table with 4 seats, where definitely this spacious dining can even have a much bigger dining table. Now we are at the living. The setup is a 4-seater L-shaped sofa and a good distance from your TV screen. With a spacious layout, you can easily fit in a huge furniture. Entering into the kitchen, there's a top and bottom shelf. With such a spacious kitchen, you can easily have a good sized fridge, washer and dryer machine. Moving on to the master bedroom, you can see that this is a spacious layout. There is definitely more than enough space for a king-size bed, and you will see here is a 3-panel wardrobe and a work desk. Owner have opted in for a home improvement program, which will commence soon with a new look in both bathrooms, where this could possibly save up some of your renovation costs. This is the first common bedroom. Both common bedrooms are almost similar size, but this is slightly bigger. You get to have a lot of window panels, which allow a lot of natural light into the room. This is the second common bedroom. It is a very regular layout. In this setup, you will see that it is a queen-size bed with wooden cabinetry at the side. If you enjoy our home tour, remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Jayden Tan. I'm glad to show you around.